So I thought we'd do something fun today, and that is we're going to be making some seed balls. So the guys from Seedballs sent me a kit. So this is a make your own seed ball kit. So it's basically 4 components to it. We've got our peat-free compost, so that's going to be what our seeds are living in. We've got our clay, so it may seem odd to put clay into something like a seed bomb, but this clay is perfect for holding it together and also adding a bit of protection from those that like to eat it, like our birds. And obviously you can hear we have a lot of birds in this garden, so that clay adds that extra crust to keep it nice and safe. And then we've got seeds, so obviously to plant some things we need some seeds. So there is a lot in here, and that is because a lot of this makes quite a few of these seed bombs. And then finally, which may seem a little bit weird, we've got some chili. So chili is natural in that it's like a natural slug deterrent. So to stop the slugs and to stop ants trying to eat the seeds inside of your seed bombs, you add a bit of chili to it, and that will stop them coming towards it. So basically what we're going to do now, we're going to put everything together. So I think I'll start with compost and then go clay and then chili and then seeds, and then we'll add a touch of water, and then we'll roll it all together, and then we'll turn it into some seed bombs. So let's get started. Right, so let's get started. So starting off with our compost, let's just chuck this all into here. Right, compost is now in. So that's all of our compost now added. Next up, we'll pop in our clay. So this is powdered clay. So again, this is going to make a really nice crust. So let's add our chili. And finally, our main ingredients, I'm just going to make a little well for this, are seeds. So they're all together, so now it's time to get really messy with it. So next up, we're going to just mix it around a little bit. Mix everything together, so we've got seeds, clay and compost. The next step is to pop in some water, and messy time. So I think we actually need some more water. Ew. Look at this. Yeah. Right, let's try and blend it all together. So you want it wet enough so that it holds each other together and sticks, but not wet enough that it's going to just fall apart. So I think we might be okay here. Or do we add a bit more water? We'll do a safe one. Hopefully that's okay. We haven't gone too wet. So I've never actually made seed balls before. It's been something I've wanted to do for some time. Usually I just buy the pre-made ones. So this is something different. It's quite messy. I mean, look at that. So let's mix it all together then. Right, I think that seems okay. So it doesn't seem goopy, just seems a bit like dough, like pizza dough. So I've actually cheated. I have made a few earlier because I was trying to play with what to do with it. So now let's turn this goop into these little seed bombs. So let's see. May need another tray actually. Can we do this? Oh, here we go. Oh, that one's massive. Right, let's go a bit smaller. Oh, these are just getting bigger. Every time I'm making them, they're getting huge. Right, third attempt. Oh, the difference in size. Look at that. Oh, right, we're going to take some off that one because that one was massive. So this way is a great way to actually spend time together making your own seed bombs. So you can buy them and you can chuck them out into the garden yourselves, but this way it's just a great way to spend a bit of time together making your own seed bombs. Plus what you can actually do is add the type of flowers and type of seeds you want to add. So these ones are just wildflowers, natural wildflowers. But if you want to add some different colours, or if you want specific plants, then you can actually do that yourself. So these are our seed bombs. So what we're going to do now, we're going to let them harden up a bit. So the ones I did earlier are just getting a little bit hard, which is perfect. So we're going to let these guys harden up a bit. I'm going to watch these grubby hands, and then we'll actually go chuck them out into the garden. So these guys are nice and hard now. So what we're going to do, according to the Seedball website and all the instructions, is we'll take one and we're just going to chuck it in. So let's put one here. So this is something really easy that you guys can do at home. You can get the little ones involved as well. Either do it on your own as adults or get the kids involved. That's me empty. So if you want to know how they're doing, I'm going to water these every so often now. But if you follow me over on Instagram and Twitter at Danny Rouse, or if you're on Facebook, ask your parents to follow me at Danny Rouse TV, and I'll let you know how they're doing and whether we get any bees or butterflies attracted to them. So what we're doing is putting out wildflower seeds to attract butterflies and pollinators. So we'll see what ones of these use them in the garden, and I'll check back in with you soon. So if you enjoyed this video, do remember to subscribe. If you're on YouTube, if you're watching it through the website, I'm on YouTube as well. And we've got loads of makes. We've got wild makes, we've also got wildlife highlights, we've got footage of all the cameras around the garden, and also if you're watching on the website, there's lots of things you can download and have a look at, as well as products that will help you attract more wildlife to your garden. So remember to subscribe, follow me on social media to keep up to date with what's happening in the garden, and I'll check back in with you soon. Bye!